General Administration Service Charter. Our vision is to provide a legal enabling environment for company operations. Our mission is to efficiently provide secretarial, legal, security, mailing, and pool transport services. Our range of services: our first service is response to phone calls, landlines, or any official line. Client obligation is a phone call, cost is free, and time is 15 seconds. Our second service is response to inquiry by walk-in clients. Client obligation is walk in and make inquiries. Cost is free and time is 1 minute. The next service is response to correspondence. Client obligation is either a written letter or a mail. The cost is free and the time is up to 5 working days. Our next service is response to public complaints and grievances. Client obligation is to make a complaint, cost being free, and it costs 1 single day. The next service is resolution of complaints. The client obligation is to make a verbal or written complaint. The cost is free and the time is 14 working days. The next service is processing of request of information. Client obligation is to make a request for information. Cost is free and the time is 21 days. The next service is provision of insurance services. Client obligation is to avail documents. Cost is free and the time is 60 days. The next service is holding of board meetings. Client obligation is to avail required board papers and implement board decisions. Cost is free and time is 7 days. The next service is provision of legal services, that is summons, demand notices, contracts, and execution of contracts. Client obligation is to avail required documentation, avail memos and tender decisions, and avail contracts duly signed. The cost is per the prescribed statutes, while the rest are free. It will take up to 15 working days. The next service is provision of security services. Client obligation is necessary management and board approvals, avail security timely and as per the contract fees, the time being as per the contract. The next service is motor vehicle availability. Client obligation is to make request for vehicles needed for official use. The cost varies and it takes up to 24 hours. The last service is public participation in public making process. Client obligation is familiarization with issues and active participation. The cost is free and the time is within 1 day.